ngay thatu te chibai le vekule video masalama khan Air India flight accident rap thak tak chungchang kan tar lang towa tuna hian update tharber kan tar lan chunzom le don ani video masalama kan tar lan to angin voin joni som pani chonu darni khan Air India flight AI 171 chuan accident rap thak tak atoka he thona hian mi zani somli pani an chuanga report sang atang tar lan dan chuan heng passenger zongjong te hi thivek angin antar lang man to a amai ro chu Ahmedabad police te chuan tuna hian dam chuak pakhat aum ti an fin fi a aming chu Vishwas Kumar Ramesh ni in heng passenger tam tak zinga hian dam chuak om chun ni in tarlan ani Vishwas Kumar Ramesh hi kumsomlia upa ania ani hi British mi ni in India rama an chung te tloin alo zin lai tak ani ti chuan UK lama let le turin a unau pa Ajay Kumar Ramesh nen thlona hian an chunga ama ero chu hetianga accident rap thak tak a thlen nu hian a unau pa hi khoya nge om tak hriat ani talo ani Vishwas hi tuna hian civil hospital Asarwa Ahmedabad enkolmek ani thu tarlan ania a om amit le akeate liama tur ni in report om bok ani Vishwas chuan tiang hian accident rap thak tak theng chungchang hi soifia na haneya second somthum nuwa thona chu a thlo chu nuin thilpuak lian tak mai ring tak mai an hriat thu asoya ti chuan thlona chu accident chun zom hal ni in asoya a thleng rang hle ni in asoi ani Vishwas Kumar Ramesh chungte Ajay Valji Leicester mi chu tuna hian biakpo ani toa adin mun hi chiang takin sil hriat ani Vishwas chuan a chungte chu abepopa a that thu a sil ani an chung ko hian Leicester a chenna in an nei meka Vishwas hian nupui anei to ba ka fa pakhat anei mek ani India rama piang ania amairo chu tuna hian kum engmoza chung chu UK a hian a cheng to ani Air India flight Boeing 7878 Dreamliner hi Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport Ahmedabad atangin a thlok chuaka London Gatwick lampanin thlok chuak ania amai ro chu a thlo chu nu rei vaklova hetiang hian van duina rap thak tak an tong ta ani ti chuanin he thlona hian Medical College Doctor Hostel chu asuwa hianin boina nasatak athlen chun zom ngala elai huna hian kang me rap thak tak athlen chun zom ngala elai hum chunga chengmi engmoza chu an thi pha nge ani emergency service ten an report danin elai hum chunga chengmi somngai hliaman tur nei in an tar langa tuna hian damdoina enkolme kan ni thu report om bok ani Prime Minister point sarkarin thei top chuin thina tok tur tele an chung te chu kong engkima a support don ti na tar langa tin he thona accident rap thak tak to chungchanga hian investigation an kalpui don ni in asoi bok ani Ahmedabad City Police Commissioner chuan mi tu ma dam chuak an omlo thu alo soi to a chuti lain to chung mi te ro he thona accident awang hian thian omnol ni na soi thunga ama ero chu hetia chui chian na te an nei nuwa mi pakhat adam chuak ti an hre chuak le ta ani tundin hmuna hian he thona accident rap thak tak awang hian ruang somruk lak chu ani to thuan soya tin somruk zinga hian Medical College Hostel la somte chu an tel nge ni in an tar langa thlona hian soita kan khan Dr. Hostel chu asu ani thlona hi akhal tupa chu Captain Sumit Sabarwal ania ani hian experience alo nei nual to boka hunrei tak chung Captain alo ni toa darkar singriat sang ni van boru ka hian thlona alo khal to nge a tin ama baka hian first officer Cliff Kundar achuang tel boka ani po hi van bo ruwa ka hian darkar sang khat za thlona alo thunun to ani Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu chuan atiang thil thleng a hriat rol hian ama a thron thu a soi ngala man mo takin medical aid le relief support te chu an boi pui ngal thu atar lang ani DBD Commissioner of Police Kanan Desai point casualty assessment liam tur te chu engza chi ngian ne tuna hian report kim chang nei turin investigation an kalpui mek ni natar langa tin fire officer JS Khadia point thei top chuin he kang mei rap thak tak thleng hi chel ani thu atar lang bok ani Tata Group Chairman N Chandrasekaran chuan Twitter lama Air India Flight 171 in Vandoina rap thak taka to wang hian ator pui thu atar langa tin thitsung ta chu anril ruwa anom reng thu asoi bok ani emergency center chu he kang mei rap thak tak thleng awang hian din ngalani thu atar lang bok report atanga landanin Gujarat Chief Minister loni to chu he thlona accident rap thak taka hian aboral ni in tarlan ani Gujarat Chief Minister loni to Vijay Rupani chu he thlona hian achung ve hlau maya amero chu van doina atok ta ni tin India Civil Aviation Minister chu an soi ani Rupani hi kumsom rupariata upa aniya kumsan hi somparuk le kumsan hi somni pakhat inkara khan Gujarat Chief Minister aloni to ani tin he baka hian BJP governing body a member nilai mek ani bok BBC in atarlandanin US investigator te chuan tuna hian India anrot pan mek ni in atarlang US investigator te chu National Transportation Safety Board te chuan anlo dong songdona he thlona accident chungchanga hian investigation an kalpui don ani sarkar chuanin engkim information an mamo ang te chu apek vector thu hatarlang ani tin tuna thlona accident ta India Ahmedabad Airport atanga thlok chuakhi India Ahmedabad Airport atanga thlok chuakhi US in an siam thlona ania Boeing 7878 Dreamliner ani tin US baka hian UK official ta point India hian investigation nei turin anon kaldon ni in BBC chuan atarlang bok UK AAIB ta chuan mithiam India investigator te pui turin anon tir chuak dona achan chu UK mi le sa thlona accident ta hian engemoza chuang anom ve wang ani Tata Group chuanin Tata Group Air India nei tu chuanin compensation thi chung ten hena hian a pevek dona mimal tin hena chengvai bel chekhat chu ralna tan a pevek don ani tin hei baka hian liam tur engmoza te chu he compensation an pek tur hian a hom tel don boka tin chu mi pialama medical hostel sakchat na tur te po an tum vek don ni hin an tarlang bok ole khati zong kha tunchuma thlona accident rap thak tak thleng chungchanga report kan tarlan thei chu ani ye